Finally getting the Suparee lights hooked up. It's taken us forever, mainly because we didn't have a vehicle to put them on. Now that we got the new Gladiator, here we are getting them installed. I got these brackets and this light switch from Amazon. We've been needing some extra lights for when we go off-roading. We don't really do it at night because we haven't had the visibility, and with these new lights shining off to the side, it's helped out a whole lot. I had the bright idea, no pun intended, to go out into a flooded section of the woods to test out the new light and use the drone. Well, that didn't work out too well. So off I go in freezing cold water to rescue the drone.
So is that water cold?
A little bit. And thanks to the side shooting ability of these lights, they helped find the drone. I could barely see the green blinking light, but the lights helped light up the sticks and stuff that were in my way. The lights come with a driving / flood feature and also a spot / laser feature.
After filming at night, those new lights, they bright everything up. They are great. Very illuminating. Look at that. You can see everything.
They are IP67 rated, 16,000 lumens, and you can get them with an amber lens or a clear lens. These are the clear ones. Alright, we got the new lights installed. They come with, a flood, which lights up the area really well. And they also have spotlight function. I don't know if I'll ever really use the spotlight, but you can use them both together if you want. But I figure I'll just use the flood stuff so we can do some night wheeling and see the roads better.